New developments in a Fox 5 I-Team investigation involving how big a paycheck a newly elected judge should be getting.
Fox 5 I-Team reporter Randy Travis says taxpayers won't be paying the judge as much as she wanted, but still more than some elected leaders feel that she deserves.
I'm looking for fairness across the board.
And for soon-to-be Douglas County probate judge Christina Peterson, fairness would be to make $175,000 a year, around what the Superior and State Court judges in Douglas County are getting.
It's not being fair and consistent. I have those same qualifications as everyone else.
Forget that she's never been a judge before, and the probate judge's job is mainly to process wills, birth certificates, and marriage licenses. The man she's replacing made $96,000 a year.
She knew what the pay was when she signed up to run.
The issue was so contentious in Douglas County that the chief judge of Superior Court offered his opinion before the budget vote, sending commissioners this letter listing the small number of probate court cases, 647, compared to the caseload for all the other courts.
It's not fair to compare that court to the other judges.
But commissioners would do just that, voting 3-2 that since Peterson is an attorney and her predecessor is not, she deserved a supplement of $36,688 to go with her state-mandated $88,110 a year salary. She'll make at least $124,000 a year.
We have a 3-2 vote on the motion carries.
But that's not all. State law allows the probate judge to keep any fees paid for birth and death certificates. This year in Douglas County, that added up to more than $70,000. Retiring Judge Hal Hamrick kept half, returning the other half to the general fund. Judge Peterson says she will keep it all, meaning if that fee amount repeats next year, her actual pay could rise to as much as $194,000. That would be more than any other judge in the Douglas County Courthouse.
This is a sham. This is a shame for Douglas County. It is a dark day in Douglas County.
We reached out to Commissioner Ann Jones-Guider, one of the 2 no votes. She's afraid other constitutional officers will also insist on county supplements to their salary.
It's going to come back to bite us. I think Pandora's box has been opened then.
Peterson also stands to make far more than her fellow probate judges in nearby counties with similar populations. They're attorneys too. And in Paulding County, that judge also handles traffic court. Judge Peterson's office does not have that responsibility. Commissioners also gave Peterson 2 additional employees. In an email, Peterson told me she knew what her predecessor made, but she was, quote, negotiating her compensation package. She would not explain why an office with such a small caseload could justify such a big salary. I'm Randy Travis, Fox 5 News.